है आपका आपके अपने यूट्यूब चैनल ममा सेट मोटिवेशन में। तो आज हम आपके लिए कोई जीके की सीरीज नहीं लेके आए हैं। आज हम आरएएस का सिलेबस लेके आए हैं उन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए जो इंग्लिश मीडियम के हैं। ठीक है, तो चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं। राजस्थान पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन एंड कमीशन अजमेर। तो राजस्थान स्टेट एंड सब ऑर्डिनेटर सर्विस कंबाइंड कॉम्पिटिटिव प्रिलिमिनरी एग्जामिनेशन 2024, ये जो इन्फॉर्मेशन है इसको तो अपन चलो यहाँ से शुरू करते हैं अपने। जैसे पेपर और सब्जेक्ट और मैक्सिमम मार्क्स और टाइम। फर्स्ट है जनरल नॉलेज एंड जनरल साइंस, और इसका मैक्स मार्क्स रहेगा 200 और टाइम रहेगा 3 आवर्स। ठीक है, अब इम्पोर्टेंट नोट्स पढ़ लेते हैं अपन। देयर विल बी 150 क्वेश्चन ऑफ मल्टीपल चॉइस, ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप्स कैरिंग इक्वल मार्क्स। ओके, देन सेकंड पॉइंट, देयर विल बी नेगेटिव मार्किंग 1/3 mark will be detected for each wrong answer. Okay, now come to the point. History, art, culture, literature, tradition and heritage of Rajasthan. Okay, now point to be start next. Prehistorical sites of Rajasthan from Paleolithic or to Chalcolithic and Bronze Age. Historical Rajasthan, important historical centers of early Christian era society, religion and culture in ancient Rajasthan. Okay. Now next point, political and cultural achievements of prominent rules of major dynasty sites. ठीक है, गोहिला, परिहार, चौहान, परमार, राठौड़, सिसोदिया एंड कछवाहा। ठीक है, एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव एंड रेवेन्यू सिस्टम इन मेडिवल राजस्थान। ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, emergence of modern Rajasthan. Okay, agents of social awakening in Rajasthan during 19th and 20th century. Okay, political awakening, role of newspaper and political institutions, tribal and peasant movement in 20th century, Prajamandal movement in various princely state during 20th century, integration of Rajasthan. Okay, then next point है architectural tradition of Rajasthan, temples, fort, palace and man-made water bodies, various schools of paintings and handicraft. Okay, now next point, performing art, classical music and classical dance, folk music and instrument, folk dance and drama. Okay, now next point, language and literature, dialects of Rajasthani language, literature of Rajasthani language and folk literature. Okay, now next point, religious life, religious communities, sant and sect in Rajasthan, folk deities of Rajasthan. Okay, now next, social life in Rajasthan, fairs and festival, social customs and traditions, artists and ornaments. Okay, next है leading personalities of Rajasthan. Okay, then next point, Indian history. Okay, Indian history में ancient and medieval periods, culture fundamental of India, Indus and Vedic age, Renaissance in tradition and new religious ideas of 6th century BC, Ajivaka, Buddhism and Jainism. Okay, then next point, achievement of prominent rules of major dynasties, Dynant or Kushan, Maurya, Kushan, Satvahan, Gupta, Chalukya, Pallava, and Chola. The next point is art and architecture in ancient India. Now next, development of language and literature in ancient India, Sanskrit, Prakritic and Tamil. Okay. Then next point, Sultanate period, achievement of prominent Sultanate rules, culture, achievement and achievement of Vijayanagar. Okay, then next, Mughal period, political challenge and reconciliation, Afghan, Rajput, Deccan, state and Maratha. Now next point, development of art and architecture, paintings and music during medieval period, religious and literary contribution of Bhakti and Sufi movement. Now move to the next point, a modern period from early 19th century of 1964. Okay, now point is that evolution of modern India and emergency of nationalism, intellectual awakening, press, Western education, social religious reform during 19th century, various leaders and institutions. Now next point, the freedom struggle and Indian national movement, its various stage streams and important contributions from different parts of the country. Okay, now next point, post independence nation building, the logistic recognition of the state institutional building during Nehru is development of science and technology. Now the next point, geography of the world and India. World geography, the point is the main major landforms, mountains, plateaus, or then plains and desert. Now next point, major rivers and lakes. Now next point, types of agriculture. Next, major industry region, environment issue, desertification, deforestation, climate change, and global warming, ozone layer depletion. Now next point, geography of India, major landform, mountains, plateaus, plains, and mechanism of monsoon and rainfall distribution, major rivers and lakes, major crops, wheat, rice, cotton, sugar cane, tea, and coffee. Major minerals, iron ore, manganese, bauxite, mica. And now power resource, conventional and non-conventional. Now next, major industry regions. Now next, national highway and major transport corridors. Now next point is geography of Rajasthan. Mm, we read the depth, major physiography regions and their characteristics, climates characteristic, major rivers and lakes, natural vegetation and soil, major crops, wheat, maize, barley, cotton, sugarcane and bajra, major industries, major irrigations project and water conservation technique, population growth, density, literature, 6 ratio and major types, minerals, metallic and non-metallic, power resource, conventional and non-conventional, biodiversity and its conservation. Okay, then next, tourist centers and constitution, political system and governance. Indian constitution philosophical postulates. Now next point, constitution assembly silent future of Indian constitution, constitutional amendment, preamble, fundamental rights, directive principle of state policy, fundamental duties. Now next point, Indian political system, president, prime minister and council of minister, parliament, supreme court and judiciary review, election commission of India, controller and auditor general, NITI, Ayog, central vigilance commission, Lokpal, central information commission, national human rights commission, federalism, democratic politics in India, coalition government, national integration. Now next point, political and administrative system of Rajasthan. State political system, government, chief minister, assembly, high court. Administrative system में district administrator and local self government, panchayati raj institutions. Now institutions, the main point is the institution, In the depth, first point, Rajasthan Public Service Commission, State Human Rights Commission, Lok Yukt State Election Commission, State Information Commission. Okay, now next, public policy and rights, public policy, legal rights and citizen charter. Okay, now next point, economic concept and Indian economic, basic concept of economics. now point is the next, basic knowledge of बजट, इसके बारे में, जैसे बजट होता है, बजट के बारे में कैसे कब कितना पास हुआ, वो सब चीजें. ओके, द पॉइंट इज रीड टू देयर. फाइनेंस, गुड्स एंड सर्विस टैक्स, नेशनल इनकम ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट. Now next, accounting concept, tools and uses in administration. Now next, stock exchange and share market. Now next, fiscal and monetary policies. And now next, subsides, public distribution system. Now next, e-commerce. Now next, inflation concept, impact and control mechanism. Now main point, economic development and planning. In the major point, first point is the major sector of economic, current status, issue and incentive of agriculture, industries, service and trade sectors. Okay, now next, major economic problem and government initiative, economic reforms and liberalization. Okay, now next point is their human resource and economic development. Human development index, happiness index, poverty and unemployment, concept, types, cases, remedies and current flagship scheme. Okay, now next point is social justice and empowerment in previous for weaker section. Okay, now next, economic of Rajasthan. Macro overview of economic, major agriculture, industrial and service sector issues, growth, development and planning, infrastructure and resource, major development projects, major welfare schemes of state government of SC/ST, backward classes or minorities, disability persons, destitute women, children, old age people, farm and laborers. Now next point is their science and technology, basic of the everyday science, computers, information and communication technology, defense technology, space technology and satellites. Now next, nanotechnology, biotechnology and genetic engineering. And now next, food and nutrition, blood groups of Rh factors, healthcare, infections, non-infection and zoonotic diseases. And now next point, environmental and ecological change and their impact. Now next, biodiversity, conservation of natural resource of sustainable development. Now next point is there, agriculture, horticulture, forestry and animal husbandry with the special reference to Rajasthan. Now next point is there, development of science and technology with the special reference to Rajasthan. Now next point, reasoning and mental ability, logical reasoning, deductive, inductive, abductive. Okay, the first point is statement and assumptions, statement and argument, statement and conclusion, statement and course of action, analytical reasoning. Okay, then mental ability, number or letter sequences, coding and decoding, problem related of to relative, direction sense test, logical Venn diagram, mirror, water image, shapes and their subsections, basic numerically, ratio, proportions and partnership, percentage, simple and compound interest, parameter and area of plane figure, data analysis, oblique tables, bar diagram, lines, graph, pie chart, etc. Or then next, mean arithmetic, geometric and harmonic, medium and mode. Okay, then next point, parameterization and combination. Now next point, probability, simple problems. Now next point is the main current affairs, major current event and issue of Rajasthan, in India and international importance, person, place and institutions is the last point is the games and sports related activities. Okay. You watching completely RAS syllabus. If you want more information GK, then please subscribe, like, share this channel.